what's good, YouTube, man? We back at it with another video. Did I say video?
Did you say video?
I meant to say banger, man. I know we back at another reaction, man. We react to anybody, your boy going to jail, man.
No, it's court here.
It is court here. I'm tripping. So, man, wrote the 10K, man. You feel me? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We almost there, man. Subscribe to Taste Series, man. You feel me? Gonna pop up.
Hey, it's an exciting channel, man. Y'all look, just come on over there and watch me.
And the link gonna be in the description, man. You feel me?
And y'all gotta give me some ideas, man. Give me some to drop.
Leave some comments on this channel what y'all want us to react to, like, you feel me? Not no old, like, y'all been trying to give us some old songs. Like, we need some, like, songs, like, you feel me?
Some relevant songs today.
Yeah, some trending songs today, man. Man, yo, my granny. Oh, bun, okay then. This is court here, though. You feel me? So we just finna go get into it.
That 100K, thank you.
What?
100K is like $100 or maybe.
What? And I don't think he got to pay that whole 100. He got to pay like half of it, but they gonna get into it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. You feel me? He look like a wood. The how he was looking last time. Yeah, sure to have.
He can't nip his smile. He was annoyed.
Yeah.
You said shit.
I'm being weird like you.
All rise. Court for the First Judicial District of the State of Utah and for the County of Cass is now in session. The Honorable Judge Spencer D. Wolf is presiding. You may be seated.
All right, good morning. Let's call the case of State of Utah versus Control Deshaun Galden. Case 241100468. Counsel, please state your names for the record.
Aaron Jossie for the state. Drew Finland and Zach Finland on behalf of Mr. Galden.
All right, we're here today for a preliminary hearing and a bail hearing. I've had the opportunity to meet with the attorneys in chambers, and it does appear that there has been some type of an arrangement reached between the parties. Mr. Finland, would you like to go ahead and state that for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, counsel for the state and myself have been in negotiation really since yesterday, but throughout this morning, and I've explained those negotiations to Mr. Galden. We are going to waive a preliminary hearing in this matter. In exchange for that, a bond will be set at $100,000. Mr. Galden will be able to use a commercial company to make that bond. That will be an aggregate bond covering everything in total, as contained in the charging instrument.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Finland. Mr. Keller, does that accurately represent the agreement that's been reached between the state and Mr. Galden?
Yes, it does, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Galden, have you had enough time to speak to your attorneys about this decision to waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right. You understand that the standard at a preliminary hearing is a much lower burden of proof that the government would have to meet than at trial. So instead of proof beyond a reasonable doubt, it's a lower burden of proof, which is there a reasonable belief that a crime was committed by you? And the court has to view all the evidence that it would receive in the light most favorable to the government, to the prosecution. Understanding that legal standard and having had discussions with your attorneys, do you hereby waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right. The court finds that Mr. Galden has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to his preliminary hearing. He will be bound over for trial on all the charges set forth in the information, the charging document in this case. Bail will be set through stipulation of the parties at $100,000. That will be bondable. And in talking to the attorneys, it sounds like they would like to set this out for an arraignment at a later point in time. Mr. Finley, would you like to go ahead and articulate anything specific related to that?
Yes, Your Honor. As discussed in chambers, and I explained to Mr. Galden, even if it's set out for arraignment, say in 60 days, The court has made it clear through discussion with counsel, if there is a resolution well before then, we're welcome to come back before Your Honor at any point in the future.
Okay, very good. So we'll set Mr. Galden's arraignment out in about 60 days. That arraignment would take place through WebEx. We'll have Mr. Galden brought here to the courthouse, and then if Mr. Finley would like to appear remotely for that hearing, he may do so. Also, if the attorneys reach some sort of resolution prior to those 60 days expiring, then just reach out to Angie and we'll get that on my calendar in a timely fashion. Angie, a date about 60 days out for that arraignment on a Monday morning, probably. July 1st, at what time? 9? Okay, so that would be July 1st at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. Mountain Time, whatever you'd prefer.
Either one.
Okay, let's do 9 a.m. Does that work for the state?
It does, yes.
AM or 1:30.
All right, Mr. Galden, your arraignment will be July 1st, 9 a.m. You'll be brought over from the Cache County Jail, assuming that you're still incarcerated. If not, you'd be able to appear remotely for that hearing as well, or appear in person, whatever your preference would be. Is there anything else that needs to be stated on the record here today, counsel?
On behalf of Mr. Galden.
Further from the state. All right, with that, we'll conclude this hearing. Court is adjourned.
I didn't bring it for I be scared.
You told us that to come home.
What's up, cut it off?
Yeah, you did.
Just like the last time when he got out of jail, like that. He just had a lot of hair like that. Might be coming home though, y'all. Congratulations, my people, man. We happy for you, son.
They can't hold a real nigga.
They can't hold a real nigga.
That's what it is. Just let me know that's what it is.
That was fast little hearing.
What? Trick? Okay, he by himself though. Well, I been there. Man, be so many people in them bitch. But look, bro, how y'all feel about YB coming home, man? He finna get ready to drop the album, they say, man. We need to go on, come on, drop it, man. But look, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, roll to 10K, man. Feel me? Subscribe to Taste Series. Gonna be in the link in the description, man. What you on the road to?
I'm on the road to 100 subscribers.
100, get to 100 subscribers, man, for real. About it, man, about the end of this month, man. You feel me? 100 subscribers,
100
man.
subscribers.
Y'all go like his channel, subscribe, share, and we out on game.